Hey there! If you can't find the Files app on your iPhone's home screen or it's not appearing as you'd expect, don't stress, we've got some helpful solutions for you. This issue can pop up for various reasons, but don't worry, here's how to fix it. Solution 1. Check the hidden app list. First, open the Settings app, then scroll down to find General and tap on it. Next, tap iPhone Storage. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Now tap on Hidden Apps. Enter your passcode if prompted. Finally, unhide the Files app from the list. Solution 2. Reinstall the Files app. Open the App Store on your iPhone. After that, tap the Search tab and type in Files. If you see an Open or Download button, tap it to reinstall the app on your home screen. Solution 3. Check the app library. Start by swiping left on your home screen until you reach the app library. Then choose the search bar at the top to type in Files. If you see the Files app appear, press and hold the icon, then drag it back to your home screen. Solution 4. Disable restrictions. First, open the Settings app again, then tap on Screen Time. Next, select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure that iTunes and App Store purchase is set to Allow. Finally, check under Allowed Apps to ensure the Files app isn't restricted. Solution 5. Reset Home Screen Layout. Open the Settings app once more, then tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset, then choose Reset Home Screen Layout. This action will return all apps to their default positions on the home screen. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue with the Files app not showing up or being missing from your iPhone's home screen. If this guide helped you out, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Thanks for watching.